everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix NameDrop not working on iPhone and iPad. NameDrop often instant contact sharing between two iPhones. This video will guide you to present why NameDrop is not working and how to fix it. Finding the practical solutions to the problems becomes easy once you identify the reason behind the problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check iPhone compatibility. It's worth noting that NameDrop only works on devices having iOS 17 or later. So both of the devices should have the required iOS version. And the next step is set NameDrop settings properly. NameDrop needs to have a few things settled on board to work properly. To ensure NameDrop works properly, first turn on AirDrop, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. After this, enable the bringing device together option and set the AirDrop settings to everyone. First, enable Bluetooth. For this, go to settings and then tap on Bluetooth. Inside Bluetooth, toggle the switch next to Bluetooth to turn it on. Next, enable Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi and then toggle the Wi-Fi button to turn it on. Next, to enable AirDrop, go to Settings app, scroll down and then tap on General. Inside General, tap on AirDrop. From here, select the option according to your needs to enable AirDrop for specific contacts and times. If you want to receive files from anyone, you should set your AirDrop to receive files from everyone after 10 minutes. And you are done. Besides this, VPN and low power mode can also disturb NameDrop. Make sure both features are disabled while using the NameDrop. For disable VPN, go to settings. Next, tap on VPN. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off. Go back to settings and to disable low power mode, go to battery. And then tap on its toggle button to turn it off. And you are done. Don't forget to ensure that the Bluetooth sharing is not blocked on any of the two devices. To confirm this, go to Settings app and then tap on Privacy and Security option. From here, select Bluetooth and see the toggle is not turned off for AirDrop, and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to the Settings app, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS software. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is reassign your Apple ID. If none of these methods work, you can reassign into your Apple ID. It might fix the NameDrop not working issue. For this, go to the Settings app and then tap on the Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on Sign Out and enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn Off. Then you can sign in again and check if the NameDrop starts working again. And you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of NameDrop not working. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.